From dreams to reality, the journey of AI explained. Welcome to Everyday Tech, where we explain tech without the tech talk. Please subscribe to enjoy more content like this. Imagine a machine that can think like a person, learning, reasoning, and even having a conversation. For centuries, this dream seemed like pure fantasy, but today that dream is a reality called artificial intelligence, or AI. What is AI? How did we arrive at this incredible technology, and where is it headed next? In this video, we're diving into the captivating story of AI's journey, from ancient inspiration to the cutting-edge tools shaping our world today. Get ready for an exciting ride through history, innovation, and imagination. Let's start at the very beginning. Humans have always been fascinated by intelligence. For thousands of years, we've been captivated by the idea of creating something that reflects our cleverness and creativity. Ancient myths and legends often featured artificial beings. For instance, Greek mythology told stories of Hephaestus, who forged mechanical servants, while Jewish folklore spoke of the golem, a figure made of clay that came to life to serve its creator. These stories didn't just entertain, they reflected humanity's deep longing to understand and even replicate intelligence. Long before we had machines, we dreamed of bringing this idea to life. Philosophers throughout history have asked profound questions about intelligence. What does it mean to think? What separates human intelligence from other forms of life? Aristotle, for example, explored logical reasoning, while Descartes famously claimed, "I think, therefore I am." These age-old questions eventually transitioned from abstract philosophy to tangible science. What if intelligence could be broken down into processes? What if it could be reproduced? The beginnings of artificial intelligence can be traced to mechanical inventions. In the 17th century, Blaise Pascal designed the first mechanical calculator, a device capable of performing simple mathematical operations. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage created plans for the analytical engine, a machine that could theoretically perform complex calculations, laying the groundwork for modern computers. These early inventions started small, but they opened the door to a much larger idea. Machines could complete tasks that once required human effort. Enter Alan Turing, a mathematician who brought the dream of machine intelligence closer to reality. Turing's work during the mid-20th century outlined the concept of a universal machine capable of solving any problem given the right instructions. This became the foundation of modern computing. Turing also posed a provocative question: can machines think? To explore this, he devised the Turing test, a way to determine whether a machine could convincingly imitate human conversation. While AI was far from achieving this goal at the time, Turing's ideas inspired generations of scientists to pursue machine intelligence. AI researchers grappled with the question that has haunted humanity for centuries. What exactly is intelligence? Could it be measured, replicated, or defined? For AI to work, scientists needed to translate something as complex as thought into mathematical terms. This challenge marked the birth of artificial intelligence as a formal field of study, with the goal of teaching machines to mimic human reasoning, problem-solving, and learning. In 1956, a group of scientists came together at the Dartmouth Conference and officially established artificial intelligence as a field of study. Early researchers were ambitious. They believed that replicating human intelligence might be just a few tweaks away. The initial focus was on teaching computers to emulate human logic, like solving chess problems or performing specific calculations. Despite their optimism, progress was slower than expected. After all, intelligence is anything but simple. A major breakthrough came with the idea of machine learning. Rather than programming every possible solution into a computer, machine learning allowed the computer to analyze data, recognize patterns, and improve on its own. Think of machine learning like training a dog to perform tricks. Instead of telling the dog every single movement, you reward behaviors that bring it closer to the desired trick. The dog learns by trial and error. Machines can do the same thing, using data as their guide. Let's take a moment to simplify some AI concepts. Machine learning relies on algorithms, essentially a set of instructions a computer follows to solve a problem. When given enough data, these algorithms can make predictions, generate recommendations, or even transform text into images. For example, how does your phone predict what word you'll type next in a text message? AI studies your typing patterns and learns to anticipate your next move. The process might sound complex, but it's really just machines recognizing patterns. Over the second half of the 20th century, AI achieved several notable milestones. Neural networks were modeled after the human brain to improve machines' ability to learn. Expert systems help decision-making in fields like medicine and business. By the 2010s, advancements in deep learning revolutionized AI, giving us tools we couldn't have imagined just decades earlier. One of the most astonishing achievements of modern AI is the rise of large language models, like ChatGPT. These models are trained on millions of examples of text, which allows them to understand and produce human-like responses. Think of it as teaching a machine how to read and write, but on a massive scale. By analyzing countless sentences, AI learns to understand context, grammar, and nuance, creating responses that often feel surprisingly human. How does AI learn exactly? It starts with a process called training, where the machine is fed enormous amounts of data. As it processes this information, it begins to recognize patterns and improve its accuracy. For example, if you wanted an AI to distinguish between cats and dogs in photos, you'd show it thousands of labeled pictures. Once the machine learns what makes a cat or dog unique, it can identify them in brand new images. Today, AI is everywhere, often hidden in plain sight. When Spotify recommends your next favorite song, an AI algorithm is behind it. When Netflix suggests a show tailored to your tastes, you're benefiting from AI. Even that voice assistant on your phone, like Siri or Alexa, relies on AI to interpret your commands and respond appropriately. You might not notice AI working in the background, but it's already an essential part of modern life. AI is transforming healthcare in incredible ways. It helps doctors analyze medical images, predict illnesses, and uncover new treatments by processing enormous data sets. For example, AI can scan thousands of mammogram images to detect signs of breast cancer, often faster and more accurately than humans. By combining speed with precision, AI is saving lives. Creativity isn't limited to humans. AI is now generating music, art, and even poetry. Tools powered by AI can compose symphonies, design artwork, and craft engaging stories. AI works with creators, helping brainstorm ideas or automate repetitive tasks. In this way, it enhances human creativity rather than replacing it. From optimizing supply chains to automating customer service, AI is reshaping industries. Businesses use AI to predict trends, analyze data, and improve productivity. For instance, many manufacturers use AI-powered robots to streamline production lines, reducing waste and improving efficiency. AI plays a significant role in sustainability efforts. By analyzing data from environmental sensors, it can predict natural disasters, optimize energy use, and even help with wildlife conservation. For example, AI models predict deforestation patterns, helping governments and organizations take action before it's too late. In education, AI provides personalized learning experiences. By adapting to each student's needs, AI platforms can make lessons more engaging and effective. For example, language learning apps like Duolingo use AI to adjust lessons based on a user's progress, ensuring skills are mastered before moving forward. Despite its many accomplishments, AI is far from perfect. It struggles with understanding abstract concepts, interpreting nuanced emotions, or making decisions outside specific parameters. AI only knows what it's been trained on. It doesn't truly think or understand the way humans do. Keeping these limitations in mind helps ground our expectations. With great power comes responsibility. AI can sometimes reflect biases in the data it's trained on, leading to unfair or unethical outcomes. A simple example: facial recognition systems often perform worse for certain skin tones, a problem rooted in biased training data. As we continue to develop AI, building ethical systems that promote fairness and transparency. AI relies on personal data to function effectively, but this raises concerns about privacy. How much data should we be comfortable sharing, and how is this data used? Striking a balance between innovation and privacy is a challenge we'll need to address as AI becomes more advanced. AI has sparked fears about job loss as it automates tasks, but it also creates new opportunities. History shows that technological revolutions generate entirely new industries. AI is no exception. The key is for workers to adapt, learning skills that complement AI rather than competing against it. Despite all its capabilities, AI still relies on human oversight. From designing systems to providing ethical guidelines, humans remain at the heart of AI development. AI assists humans, but it doesn't replace our creativity, intuition, or empathy. AI has already transformed industries like healthcare, entertainment, and education. During emergencies like the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a critical role, helping researchers understand the virus and develop vaccines at unprecedented speeds. The future of AI is full of possibilities. We could use it to explore other planets, develop new cures for diseases, or tackle climate change. AI has potential far beyond today's tools, limited only by our imagination and ethical boundaries. The more people understand AI, the better equipped society is to guide its development responsibly. We can't leave decisions about AI entirely to scientists or corporations. Public engagement matters too. AI isn't just for experts. Free tools and platforms allow anyone to experiment, whether by generating art, writing code, or exploring data trends. By making AI accessible, we invite diverse voices to shape its future.